In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove SharePoint shortcut from OneDrive. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to Microsoft.com and locate OneDrive from their products. Proceed to click on this Create a Free Account in order to successfully sign up on your OneDrive. Once you have done that, you will have your own OneDrive account. So for that case, what we can do is you can just proceed to click onto the sign in option in order to sign in. So on my case, I already have an account and let me just show you what it will look like. Here is my account. You can just head over right here to your files and you can see everything from here. So on your OneDrive, go over to my files and from in there, just locate the shortcut that you want to remove. So for example, this is that shortcut. You can proceed to click on this. Then from in there, click on delete option that will appear under the upper right or upper corner. You can also do this by using your File Explorer on your Windows. To do so, head over and open your File Explorer, locate the SharePoint shortcut. For example, that is it. Once you have clicked on it, proceed to click onto this trash can icon in order to actually successfully delete or remove this. After that, the shortcut will be moved to your recycle bin and you should be able to find it from here. So if you wish to retrieve it, just head over to your recycle bin. This is where all your deleted files are shown. So for this case, just locate the shortcut and then click on this restore if you want to restore it directly from there. It have different steps on Mac, so you can just open the Finder and locate the shortcut folder on your OneDrive. Select the folder and press Command Delete to move it to your trash if you have it from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.